Assalamu alaikum. Myself Stephen Yunus. I want to tell you about mobile, its blessing or curse. If I talk about myself, I think mobile phone is a blessing for me because it's helped me help me to talk others. It's a good facility to connect me with my friends, uh, with my relatives, and it's a good way for me to connect with my friends, and it's also generous for me to help generous for me to focus on my study online. Uh, Also, I take interest to listen the music from my mobile online, and I also use mobile for my working person. I get paid from my mobile, and so on.